we have three equations. P plus Q equals 18, Q plus R equals 21, R plus P equals 27. The question is, what is the value of P plus Q plus R? Let's solve it. First, let's add all three equations together. On the left hand side, we have P plus Q, then Q plus R, finally R plus P. And on the right hand side, we have values 18 plus 21 plus 27. Let's combine the terms. We have 2 P's, 2 Q's and 2 R's. So we get 2P plus 2Q plus 2R equals 18 plus 21, which equals 39, 39 plus 27, which equals 66. So 2P plus 2Q plus 2R is nothing but 66. Now take 2 as common factor from 2P, 2Q and 2R. So 2 times of P plus Q plus R equals 66. We can write 66 as 2 times of 33. Okay. Now 2 times of P plus Q plus R equals 2 times of 33. Now this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled out, leaving P plus Q plus R equals 33, which is our answer.